How to make 64 sentences by using a word. Simple present tense. In simple present tense, positive form I eat. Negative form I don't eat. Interrogative form do I eat? Negative sentence in interrogative form don't I eat? I eat. I don't eat. Do I eat? Don't I eat? Present continuous tense. Positive form I am eating. Negative form I am not eating. Interrogative form am I eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form am I not eating? I am eating. I am not eating. Am I eating? Am I not eating? Present perfect tense. Positive form I have eaten. Negative form I haven't eaten. Interrogative form have I eaten? Negative sentence in interrogative form haven't I eaten? I have eaten. I haven't eaten. Have I eaten? Haven't I eaten? Present perfect continuous tense. Positive form I have been eating. Negative form I haven't been eating. Interrogative form have I been eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form haven't I been eating? I have been eating. I haven't been eating. Have I been eating? Haven't I been eating? Simple past tense. Positive form I ate. Negative form I didn't eat. Interrogative form did I eat? Negative sentence in interrogative form didn't I eat? I ate. I didn't eat. Did I eat? Didn't I eat? Past continuous tense. Positive form I was eating. Negative form I wasn't eating. Interrogative form was I eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form wasn't I eating? I was eating. I wasn't eating. Was I eating? Wasn't I eating? Past perfect tense. Positive form I had eaten. Negative form I hadn't eaten. Interrogative form had I eaten? Negative sentence in interrogative form hadn't I eaten? I had eaten. I hadn't eaten. Had I eaten? Hadn't I eaten? Past perfect continuous tense. Positive form I had been eating. Negative form I hadn't been eating. Interrogative form had I been eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form hadn't I been eating? I had been eating. I hadn't been eating. Had I been eating? Hadn't I been eating? Simple future tense. Positive form I shall eat. Negative form I shan't eat. Interrogative form shall I eat? Negative sentence in interrogative form shan't I eat? I shall eat. I shan't eat. Shall I eat? Shan't I eat? Future perfect continuous tense. Positive form I shall have been eating. Negative form I shan't have been eating. Interrogative form shall I have been eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form shan't I have been eating? I shall have been eating. I shan't have been eating. Shall I have been eating? Shan't I have been eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form. Shouldn't I be eating? I should eat. I shouldn't eat. Should I eat? Shouldn't I be eating? Past future tense. I should eat. Positive form. Negative form. I shouldn't eat. Interrogative form. Should I eat? Negative sentence in interrogative form. Shouldn't I eat? I should eat. I shouldn't eat. Should I eat? Shouldn't I eat? Past future continuous tense. I should be eating in positive form. In negative form, I shouldn't be eating. Interrogative form, should I be eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form, shouldn't I be eating? I should be eating. I shouldn't be eating. Should I be eating? Shouldn't I be eating? Past future perfect tense. In positive form, I should have eaten. Negative form, I shouldn't have eaten. In interrogative form, should I have eaten? Negative sentence in interrogative form, shouldn't I have eaten? Past future perfect continuous tense. I should have been eating in positive form. In negative form, I shouldn't have been eating. In interrogative form, should I have been eating? Negative sentence in interrogative form, shouldn't I have been eating? I should have been eating. I shouldn't have been eating. Should I have been eating? Shouldn't I have been eating? Like this, we can say 64 sentences by using a verb. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Vijay Kumari TLM and Spoken English.